Alright, so this is a Cuban tree frog. We're in the Tampa Bay Discovery Center to talk about all kinds of different animals that live in the Tampa Bay area. Super cool.
On the other side.
And then now we're looking at the cane toad in his aquarium.
What else?
Look at him, he's so big old backpack, camelback, that's crazy.
There's a dark tree.
And then
There's the tree frogs up there.
whole case here of different types of trees.
I need one more. I need one more.
The green tree frog, the barking tree frog, and the southern toad. So let's see, can you see anybody in there?
Right here. Mom, look at him. Look at him.
Oh, there he is.
They're on the
Oh my gosh, he's so green.
There's three over there.
Where?
They
What?
call the log down.
Follow the log. Not
the
in the
eyes?
log, but next to it. Look.
The back
Wait,
one.
can I
Oh
see
yeah.
Can I
Oh,
get
he's
it?
moving. He's moving.
I
He's
got
moving.
them.
I'm filming it. I'm filming
In my
it.
angle, I have three in my vision.
He's moving.
So those are the southern frogs. This was the green frog. There's three of them there.
I need,
yeah.
I need
Back
one
here,
more
too.
type. I need one more type.
Super cool. It's a projection map on this thing. Oh.
Look, do you see what
Show
I
me
mean?
that again, Charlie.
Hold on, sorry. Let me set this down.
So this
Look.
is a sandbox.
So like,
Oh, but he's keeping track of the elevation of it too.
like I can look to that.
And then when you dig down,
It goes lower.
so keep projecting fish on top of the sand. Like here we go.
Oh, it's about this deep.
Oh, that's super cool. Oh, there's a bird flying through.
Yeah.
What is that thing?
I can lift it up. I got the crown.
So check this one out, you guys. It's called The Impacts of Pollution. When we're talking about man's environment, or how like environmental changes and what what people are doing. And it says the shrinking wave of plastic requires action from everyone. Here's what you can do to help. Keep reusable bags with you and use them every time you shop. Carry a reusable bag for mugs and beverages. Pack lunches. Stop using straws. Buy reusable stainless steel glass straws. But look at what this is. So these are all water bottles. It's creating a whole wave of reusable water bottles. So I'm going to back that up and show you that the point is they're talking about plastic and pollution in the ocean with all of this. So they made a giant wave out of water bottles to like illustrate how important it is that marine debris is any human material that ends up polluting our ocean, from microplastics to derelict fishing gear.
See how the water gets knocked down here by the reef?
It's talking about different kinds of shoreline structures. There's mangroves, there's salt marshes, there's oyster bars or reefs, and then there's seagrasses. And those are different ways that like the ocean meets the land in different ways, right? So then it's talking about creating waves and what happens to the waves when they go up against man-made structures. Do you see how they're not quite as impactful versus the waves that have nothing? I'm gonna press the green button. Ooh, look what happens when I wave. So press it again. I want you to look at the two difference between the waves. You ready? Here we go. It says waves get their energy from wind passing over the surface of the sea. A sloping shoreline helps dissipate a wave's force, reducing its ability to carry away soil. So when you have things on the shoreline, it reduces the wave's ability to wear away and have beach erosion. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are ornate diamond-backed terrapins of the Tampa Bay. So you see how there's two turtles? There's one guy there, and there's one guy in the water. And then go below the waterline, you can really see him swimming around. Isn't that cool? And there's fish.
I think those are snooks.
What kind of fish are they?
A snook, I think.
So what does it tell you about terrapins? What are some things you can learn about terrapins?
Often freshwater and unusual ways, including drinking the freshwater layer that accumulates on the top of the saltwater during rainfall.
Oh, so they drink the fresh water that lands on top of the ocean. That's super interesting. Terrapin
Yeah,
turtles.
snooks. I see some snooks. Right here. Some snooks.
There's six fish there.
Me.
You can see you in the reflection, huh?
I know.
That's super cool.
I'm gonna cross off.
See, and I could sit and watch these
Wait,
turtles
can you
all
hold
day.
these? Can you hold this?
Alright, so this exhibit is super cool. It's all about oysters and the anatomy of an oyster. So they're considered filter feeders because they eat by pumping large water through their bodies and strain out the plankton. So these are the oysters that they're straining the water out. So interesting. Here they are again. Here's another whole field of oysters. Oh, it says here's the anatomy of it. And here's what makes an oyster, which is important in a big community, right? They go and they get oysters. People eat them and they sell them and they make money off of them. So it's a part of their economy and the resources that they have available to them. All right, so here we are at the touch
Catch the
tank.
starfish.
All right, here we go. Oh, look at that guy. He's moving.
That's a long-clawed hermit crab.
It's a long claw hermit crab. Do you want to touch him?
You can touch him.
Just touch the shell there. And then we also have a crown conch.
It's a conch. There's a fish that lives inside it.
Want to touch it?
It's like a slug that lives inside.
Yep.
Don't bang on
Do
it.
you want to touch the starfish?
Here's the brown spiny sea star.
It's a brown spiny sea star. Ooh, what'd that feel like?
Weird.
It felt
But
weird.
like bumps.
It has bumps on it.
The rougher they are, the healthier. The slimier they are, the less healthier. And that's a pencil urchin over there.
Pencil urchin. That's cool. Want to touch the pencil urchin?
You sure?
Hello.
It's weird.
Ooh,
It's
what'd
just,
that feel like?
well, it just felt like a spiky thing.
It's like, hey,
That's super cool. Reach in and touch it.
And so horseshoe crabs have 10 legs, blue blood, and they're as old as the dinosaurs.
Oh my gosh, that's so interesting.
I can see his
Underneath part of
face.
it.
I can see his face. Wait, move it up.
Is it a stinger? It's just there so they can flip its over.
There he is. So interesting.
cool.
His little face. Look at it.
What are those used in medical research and vaccines?
Like move
Ah.
up from like here. You can see his
Wow.
face. It just turned.
Oh, there he is.
That's pretty cool. There's a red mangrove right there.
I just touched it.
See, you can find a hogfish.
Oh yeah, you can see. Okay, that makes sense. Charlie, do you see the hermit crabs? These are super cool.
These are flat clawed, and this is a green striped hermit crab.
The green striped hermit crab right there. That's super cool. And then these are sea urchin.
Here we have pencil urchins,
Yep.
purple variegated sea urchins, brown spiny sea stars, sea cucumbers.
And they're all found in Tampa Bay.
Yep.
Alright guys, so this is a picture of what a mango tree looks like, which is super crazy. But the mango tree's roots reach down into the water, and then here's an example of a fish tank of what it looks like underneath where the mango tree is located. So there's all these fish
Parrotfish?
that are floating around. Parrotfish? What other kind of fish?
Mangrove snapper.
These are all things that are native to Tampa Bay. The bay right outside of the city of Tampa. Can you imagine these giant fish just living within the roots of a tree? It's so cool. They're so pretty, aren't they?
Yeah, did you show them what have you
They really are.
Did you ever get to see the microscope?
I did get to see the microscope.
Yeah.
It's super cool. Just living within the roots of the trees. Isn't that crazy? So this is what the tree looks like. And then down at the bottom is where all those fish are swimming around. All right, last aquarium for you guys to look at. We have some really cool fish floating around in here. There are seahorses. Ooh! There's the lined seahorse. You see him back there? Oh yeah, here's one crawling over here too. This is the fish. And the
seahorse and pipefish are here. And then on the other side of the
there's two
line,
seahorses up there. Here's one right here.